welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 169. Dear sirs, we have received your letter of the ninth institution, respecting consignments, and your request shall be considered in the same manner as your previous communications on such matters. Full stop. Our Mr. Burton is away at present in the north of Scotland. Full stop. We expect him to back tomorrow, however, when the whole question shall be taken into consideration, and an early reply forwarded to you. Full stop. Doubtless, a satisfactory conclusion can be arrived at which will be considered agreeable to all concerned. Full stop. Yours truly. Full stop.